Hello friends, welcome once again to the Rusar Healings. In our previous two videos of healing with crystals, we have talked about the three basic steps required to achieve anything in our life and how these healing stones can help us achieve our goals. We have talked about how carnelian helps us in bringing clarity of mind and how it can help us to stay focused and motivated, which is the first ever step towards achieving our goals. Then we learned about how black tourmaline takes us smoothly through the second step of our goals by handling our fears and insecurities, and how it can convert all the negative stock into positive. Now let's move further. As we have moved two steps forward towards our goal, now let's talk about the third and final step. That is, synchronizing our thoughts, feelings, and actions in one direction. And here comes the role of another very important, powerful, and must-have stone, that is black kyanite, which can help us in achieving our goals with our maximum strength. Though it comes in different colors, but best one is which is dark grey or blackish grey in color, and that is known as black kyanite. Black kyanite means alignment of all the chakras and synchronizations of our thinking, feelings, and actions. Like citrine, kyanite is one of the two minerals on the earth that neither accumulates nor retains any negative energy and therefore never needs any cleansing. Only it should not be placed in water. Black kyanite has an extra punch for removing negative frequencies compared to other stones in its family. When our chakras are balanced and open, we can freely express what we think or feel. Kyanite can also help us in smooth transition to our meditative state because of the balance and harmony that takes over our body when we start using it. It also encourages us to discover new interests, learn new skills, and gain new knowledge. Kyanite can also help in healing minor infections. It is also known to lower high blood pressure. Black kyanite is also known as the stone of self-discovery. Black kyanite is a grounding crystal which opens as well as aligns all the chakras. It balances yin-yang energies and is very useful for beginners as it also protects. This stone creates a solid protective cover to our aura that makes our mind slow down and relax. In the workplace, kyanite promotes good communication and encourages self-expression. It restores ki or chi to the physical body and promotes a calming effect on the whole being. Black kyanite can clear blocked energies in any chakra. As it comes in pointer shape, please hold it pointed in towards yourself in the left hand to receive and hold it pointing outwards in the right hand to release. So get your set of 2 black kyanites of medium size, hold them every day for a few minutes to balance and align all your chakras. And of course, you can program this stone of alignment and synchronization as per your needs. I have already explained how to program the stones in my first video, which was on carnelian. So please watch it again if you want to learn how to program the stones. Now all that you need is to surrender to these stones to receive and give energy and get the best benefit by using them regularly. Enjoy the warm and friendly energies of these stones and feel balanced. So, see you very soon with another interesting episode of Healing Crystals. Until then, lots of love and warmth. Namaste.